Okay, we left off here talking about how 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so when we have to regroup, obviously notice that 82 minutes, is that more than or less than 1 hour? So is it more than or less than 60? So it's more than, right? How do we get to 82? We would have had to take that 60 minutes or that 1 hour, and we have to add an additional, anybody catch my mistake? Would we add an additional 12? Is 60 plus 12 equal 82? No, it equals 72. So, looks like you guys get to correct me just like you do in the classroom. Okay, so instead of 12, cross out 12. What should it be? Should be 22 minutes. Same here. So we would rewrite that as 1 hour and 22 minutes. We're simplifying our answer, right? Rather than saying 82 minutes, we want to say an hour and 22 minutes. I'm trying to make that 1 into a 2. Okay, so when we look here, you've got 94 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus an additional how many minutes? Well, if you're having a hard time doing that math in your head, like I did, okay, maybe it's best if you just take 94, and if we know what 1 hour is, we can subtract that. And then what do you get here when you subtract? That's how many extra minutes is left over. So we would say that 94 minutes is equal to the 1 hour and how many additional minutes. I would definitely recommend using subtraction here. It's going to be a lot easier. 105 minutes. Okay, we know that 105 is greater than 60, so we know at least an hour is included in there. 105, take away 60. Make sure you borrow if needed, okay? Well, then you simplify that. 105 minutes is equal to how many hours? How many 60s did we subtract? Only 1. So 1 hour and how many minutes? Okay, before you go, if you need to finish, pause. Okay, I want to go over our daily math review. Okay, if you need help on the subtraction problem or on the addition problem, make sure to let me know in Zoom and we'll go over those together. Okay, I want to go over with everyone because I think it'll be a good review for everyone, finding the perimeter and the area. What do we know area equals? We've worked on area a lot. Area equals the length times the width. So that's exactly what you're going to do. The length, 7 inches, times the width, 5 inches. So the area equals 7 times 5, and then make sure you do inches. Who remembers? Inches times inches gives us inches squared. That's the answer for area. But what about perimeter? How do we find the perimeter? Area would be like if this was a yard, then we would say we want to know the area of the grass inside. Or we want to know the area of the carpet that's needed inside the room. But if we were talking about fence, we're talking about painting walls, we would be talking about the outer edges. That is perimeter. So we want to find the perimeter of this yard. That means we've got to find and take this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. That's 4 sides. So perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. Well, we already know 2 of the sides. It's given. But this is also a rectangle. And what we know about a rectangle is that these 2 are equal and these two lengths are equal. So if it's 7 inches down here, then we know the top is 7 inches. So we could write perimeter equals 7 plus 7. That's 2 of our side lengths. What about our other lengths? We've got 5 inches here. So if we know that this is 5 inches, we know that this is 5 inches. So we take 5 plus 5. Add it all up, and that's going to give you your perimeter in inches. Please let me know if you need more help or you have any questions. That's what I'm here for.